Abusia last year mo ho ade se papa efre no okuzeto ablakwa obabonten eba be kasa efa Ghana presidential jet ho na Akufo-Addo wakohan private jet abusia odi tunu kwan luxury private jet yeso wo dware bo mu nyina ne oye ya no aksa na nkrata akotena TV station so ne abusia obekasa bebre be kire the documents by no han den 1000 per hour den 1000 per hours abusia hinyina ya ti no beka said Ghana presidential jet ay wosisi an ade se bitimi aye adwuma akosi 2030 for to be a man quite minimum no na se bitimi yusu abrosa na yinyina na yedi ho abobo na abusia na NDC for by asema they say the narrative has changed. Say asema mo ka che say Ghana is a private jet no presidential private jet no ade se the idea holding bio nti say akwa park Singapore ho baby as say yes ye hwena ya ehu de be na omo the sustainability of the aircraft ade say it's not good, it's not safe for government to operations say te bi ho baby an komo na corner na say ka kwa say ne yam kotok private jet for the we be kai airbus Bahama airbus na say you know one way or the other no, we are going to get a similar scenario because the way I'm going to train so na aircraft no intimi nye adwuma no and aircraft the fault to aba ho na car was there the repairs no bro so I say more car kwa cause na Kwesi Pratt and the black rasta aba bonten aba be kata say hey ye ntwema mo na ntwema mo tena say yeti krom ha Ghana ha say betina ha pa ma mo NDC for matisika some de kwa akoto plane presidential jet. That is not what you told us. As in some NDC for catch Ghana phone, as in promises of making, you know, as they are trying to use some narrative to justify themselves to turn things around that and then say I'm a before Abba system. You pass say this for they say the person much and some more top presidential jet for had they okuze to betna ho yana nim say ano mo kasa wi ano mo review okuze to be catch yes 2030 minimum and a presidential jet and with me a year juma nti de entimi kura no e was it me juma kosi 2030 say 2025 5 more years say they are telling us a presidential jet is not fit, it's not safe for the president na bia en koda no kofa nkomo twetwe ni ha akoso no embre ha e wo Tvghana so say dey no buy channel no so like and share we are subscribe so and leave a comment or comment section no ase
doesn't seem to be happy about a presidential jet in the country. What are his reasons? For some time now, people have been talking about a private jet in the country. What is happening? Is somebody thinking about a private jet? When the president came into power, we saw that he was riding in the private jet of his brother, Ibrahim. But why is it shifting all of a sudden to a presidential private jet? Do we have one already? Don't we have one already? Watch this. And this is coming from Ghana Web. It says, we will resist any attempt to acquire a new presidential jet. And that's Kwesi Pratt warning. Run it. Veteran journalist and managing editor of the Inside newspaper, Kwesi Pratt Jr., has cautioned the government against any attempt to acquire a new presidential jet. Vehemently opposing the possibility, Kwesi Pratt argued that the state cannot justify allocating resources for the acquisition of a new private jet at a time when the economy is only beginning to recover from its downturn. Speaking on the matter during a Peace FM interview on July 22, 2025, Pratt stated that although the current presidential jet is corroded, it remains repairable and can be restored to a serviceable, near-new condition, making it fit for purpose. We will not agree to it. With all that the country has passed through, they want to spend money to purchase a new jet. It will not happen. If it's a gift to us, fine. But for us to spend money to buy it, it will never happen. Let us repair things that can be repaired. The current jet is repairable, which is why it is in Paris. It can be restored to fly in condition, he said. His reaction comes in response to claims by the Minister of Defense, Dr. Edward Omani Boama, that the presidential jet, the Falcon, remains grounded in France due to extensive corrosion and multiple technical faults. So what is it about African presidents and flying? What's the problem? African presidents and private jets and flying all over. My brother, Mahama has not said that he wants a new private jet. Mahama hasn't come out to say that he's buying a new private jet. But Kwesi Pratt is only inferring from what the defense minister said that the aircraft that is serving as the presidential jet for the Ghanaian president is eroded and grounded in Paris. My brother, my sister, what is the level of corrosion? What is the level of unrepair or disrepair? Can we know? Can it be fixed? Can it not be fixed? Can we put it in and trade it for a better one? If you have an old car that you don't want, you can always take it to a garage and trade it off and get a better one. You might just top up a little bit. We should be looking at some of these possibilities rather than thinking about a whole new one. My brother, my sister, the nation deserves an airline. We don't have one yet. We used to have the Ghana Airways, yet our president seemed not to even think about the Ghana Airways anymore. They are only thinking about their personal flying. How is it possible that your father's house is not roofed and you are enjoying corrugated roofing sheets over your head? Are you not a bastard? It is only a bastard who will leave his father's house unroofed and rush to roof his own house over his head. It's a Dagomba proverb. Ghana is our motherland. Ghana is our father. Do we have a roof over the head? The economy is beginning to do wonderful. People are clapping for the president of the republic. Oh, you have chosen some great young men and women to do the job. All over Africa, people are looking forward to this president. And, of course, the Burkinabe president. The Burkinabe president hasn't gone for a private jet. If he has to fly, he knows how to do it. He's getting all the applause. In fact, he is working very, very hard, shrewdly. He is going through austerity measures in order to keep his country intact. This is the time for us to sacrifice to see Ghana stand better. And that is the only way the Mahama government can get the largest applause around the world. Austerity. We have the gold, we have the diamond. Thanks to the Gold Board initiative and much more, so many things are beginning to happen in this country. But my brother, my sister, a private jet at this time will be a long shot. We'll be shooting ourselves in the foot. Ibrahim has a private jet. For the time being, if we can't even use Ibrahim's private jet, can we be able to rent a cheaper one? Or even travel commercially? There's nothing wrong with it. If I were president, I'd be traveling commercially. I will sit with people. After all, they are my people. They are the same people who voted me to power. I know that it has security implications, but that's why you also have security around you. Let's think about all these things. Let's get the country out of the storm. Then we can have the merrymaking, the party, the bonfires, the merrymaking, and so on and so forth.